Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC J budgets and blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you like. Today we're going to go ahead and stuff the rest of our freebies. We have a couple of them that we should be able to finish. Yes, looks like we have 2 of them. I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. And we are going to play odd even today. And then once we complete these savings challenges, we will work on adding some newer savings challenges for the month of March. And I had an idea of what I wanted to do. I didn't have very many St. Patrick's Day kind of themed savings challenges, but we're just going to go with whatever we have once it's time to put the new ones in. So we have today 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. Not a lot, but plenty when you're adding it up. So all of the month of January, I recorded a video every single day. So that was awesome. And the same with February. We're going to shoot for March as well. That's my plan. I'm kind of blushing because I'm kind of excited about it. So this Betty Boop Savings Challenge is from Moet's Money, Money Boss in the Making, and Boop and Budgets. And then this Savings Challenge is from S&C Budget Creations, which is my shop with Cassie. And this Savings Challenge is linked down below. Let me grab my dice because I don't have it. All right, I found it. So what we're going to do is we are going to odd numbers for Betty Boop, even numbers, and let's see how this works out. Okay, odd. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one's completed. So I guess we still just need $2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we only have a couple dollars left. We will work on that though because I really feel like it's important to try to work on completing savings challenges and also continuing on. Okay, so let me go ahead and complete the color. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, $16. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yay! 16 bucks. Super duper exciting to see that. Sometimes these savings challenges take me a while, and that's okay because the goal is to get them completed and put them into my sinking funds, and I'm not putting any pressure in terms of timing. I did burn through my sinking funds last time. I stuffed them because I had missed some work and I needed the funds to cover the time that I missed. So I'm glad that I have my safety net and I want to keep rebuilding that. So we're adding 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This savings challenge saved me 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 bucks. $19. And I'm so very glad to see it. All right. So we will move on to grabbing our savings challenges that we're adding into rotation. All right, we'll start with number 1, which is Melissa Manages. And then I believe this was a collab with Lisa Grateful Me. If I'm not mistaken, it's a cute little leprechaun. So we're going to work on that one. And then we'll add that one later. Let's see what we got here. Mimi Budgets. This one should save me $25. I'm not certain how I'm going to make this one work, but I'm excited about it because he's such a cute little puppy. Okay. And then this savings challenge is from Batty Bankroll. And I thought it was super cute with the clovers. And I think, no, we're just going to leave those $1 because some of these other ones have a lot of money that I need to be working on. And G&L Budgeting Besties. Girls just want to have fun. I thought it was cute. I'm going kind of with the green theme. And then we have this Baby Yoda from Simply Tea. And I will link all these ladies down below. And then I have 2 other savings challenges that I'm going to put back in front here to put into rotation at some point, hopefully when we finish these other savings challenges. So let's see here. We only have, what was that, $5? Okay, so that'll work. Let's roll. 1, 1, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, so where is my green? We got a green one here. We're gonna start with the Baby Yoda. Thought this was super cute, so we're just gonna give it a little circle there. We got $1. And I'm hoping that tomorrow I can pull these savings challenges back out again. That was my plan, but we'll see how it goes. All right. And girls just want to have fun, getting $1. All right, this beauty is getting $1 as well. Nothing going into that one. And did I not put a savings challenge in there? Did I skip a savings challenge? I did. Okay, we'll come back to that. We just need to put $2 here. All right, and number 2, I didn't even put a savings challenge in there. I don't know what the heck is wrong with me. But we're going to go ahead and pull this little mermaid. This one is from Suns and Roses. Love her cute little savings challenges. This one I got as a freebie. I believe it's for sale now, but sometimes she does these flash freebies. And so what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to do the sum method for the bigger numbers. So we'll see how that goes. Perfect. All right, so that completes this savings challenge, cash stuffing. Let me see here. I want to put this cash into the other binder so I can have it for my sinking funds. 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's see here. Kind of want to have some funds for my cash stuffing tomorrow. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. So I have a $20 bill for tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to have more funds tomorrow or not, but these are completed, so that's good to go. And let's pull out our envelope. This is where I just stash the cash until I'm ready to do a sinking funds cash stuffing. And I'm hoping move that along. I like having the sinking funds. It's been working out really well for us. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.